When do you live inside a tree in your tree? Fuck you. The meanest noise. No, break inside your house and break inside your house. You're gonna break inside your house and I'm gonna I'm gonna find there. I'm gonna find your house and find your house and break into it. For YouTube, this is a joke. This is nothing against a fictional character. There's no actual house for you to go to. I am joking. If I wanted to go to his house, I would have to fit inside the trunk of the tree. And I cannot do that. Let's get back to the song. I almost just made myself oh my god, I actually God damn it, that actually hurt, dude. What the fuck? My stomach. I should probably say something here. That's more than I could ever do. No, I'm just gonna crash it. How the fuck did I just do it? What the fuck? Oh, I know, it was fucking rape. It's under blackmail. I don't actually fucking right now. Kinda got a mix up the time, I guess. Who fucking cares? I don't even know if it's eligible by the time I'm quote-unquote mixing it. It's supposed to be the beatbox and shit. Now I'm just ranting with no fucking reason. My stomach. I'm just saying. My stomach. God, so it was racing against Edwin. And I didn't even walk around too. So my crash out is justified. It's fucking justified.
What if we get another song?
Oh yeah, I forgot I recorded that. Wait, what's why Griffin song? We got a pedophile? I don't fucking know. I'm gonna piss inside the fishbowl, then I'm gonna lose control.
That's all the beatboxing I'm gonna get to do.
Put it in the house. I'm gonna put the fish in Woodpecker's house, and then I'm gonna leave that fishbowl in his house. Piss bowl, put it in his house. Now I'm running out of ideas. I'm gonna be honest, I ran out of ideas. After I finished myself in a song, ran out of ideas. In the morning, I actually threw up here. Should I just...
I threw up. I actually threw up this time. God damn it, I threw up the car.
I don't know what more I can add
here. Do I have like a rag? Is there a rag I can use? Shit, do I have a rag?
It's funny to hear me hair. Should I just like...
Alright, it landed on trash.
Should I just like solo release the audio of me panicking over puking in my car for the morning?
Why are you using it at 4 in the morning? What the fuck? What? I don't even want to touch it. I'm not.
Oh, I love the metal part.
Yeah, 24, and I don't want to touch your shit.
I'm gonna find your fucking house, and I'll find your fucking house, and I'm not actually gonna do it.
I'm entirely given up on beatboxing.
My bike doesn't work, and I can't go anywhere. Well,
Really? Actually, this is just
for my chicken strips,
the
he has
first
to
recording
die.
I'm doing. I'm
No,
doing
not a
beatboxing
chicken, he has to
first.
die.
I really.
Flies died, I pissed in the fish, so
like-
I put it in his house. Quiet as a fucking mouse. Hell yeah, he didn't even know it was me.
Don't
But
know
the
such
second
ass
he
here until I
visits,
actually see the
he
random
pissed about the
bullshit
fish
I'm
bowl
gonna
piss,
sing.
then he'll gonna crash out.
I just-
la 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 la.
I almost grew up and I actually did grow up.
Edwin should not have lost.
And then this
but the
entire
curve
recording kind of
is-
got the rails
That's
in the
not directed towards Edwin. I'm just asking for that
Kinda
song.
lost the fuck
Because I
there.
wanna win, I wanna get the win.
gonna be
I can
fucking
get piss inside the bowl. Go fuck you,
should I,
Edwin. Why'd you make me do this shit? God damn it,
know.
fuck you,
The song
you a
is fucking
bitch.
over
I don't
already,
actually
man.
mean that, but you a bitch.
I don't fucking know.